It's Edward Roski, and I'm asking good questions. How is Wall Street paying for all the AI chips? With a mortgage. They're just like you and me. Apollo and Blackstone are arranging roughly $36 billion in private credit to buy Google's custom AI chips. Anthropic is then going to lease those chips back, so the debt never touches Anthropic's balance sheet. It ranks among the largest private credit deals ever assembled. It's 36 billion, kind of structured like a commercial property loan, except the building is a pile of silicon. This is not going to sit on the balance sheet as a traditional liability. It actually sits in a special purpose vehicle, which is finance speak for a company that exists so a number can live somewhere else. What strikes me is the milestone that we've now crossed. For decades, you borrowed against big physical things you could touch. Buildings, planes, pipelines, things that hold value in like 30 years. Now you're borrowing against chips that are going to be obsolete with the next generation. The chips are the collateral. The lenders split the loan into tranches, about 6 billion in the safest notes, 25 billion in the middle, 4.5 billion for the investors with strong stomachs. Every credit deal has a tranche for people who enjoy danger. They like the risk, and there's equivalent upside, but it's usually priced accordingly. Broadcom, which helps design these chips, guarantees the resale value. So if Anthropic stops paying and the chips get sold for scrap, Broadcom makes the senior lenders whole. I, long time ago, once co-signed a friend's car loan. I know exactly how that movie ends. So the company that builds the assets is also ensuring the asset will hold value. Roughly 120 billion in AI spending has already slid off corporate balance sheets this way. A data center chip can go obsolete in 2 years. This loan runs substantially longer than that. The term sheet would rather you not dwell on that part. But if the hardware backing the debt ages faster than the debt matures, who ends up holding the bag? If you found this quick and helpful, please subscribe. But until next time, keep asking good questions.